Yo, I'm the Isabels, and I got something to say to you. No, I'm just playing now. We're about to do backing up. I mean, no point videos. We have
We
lots
just
of
felt
ideas.
like doing this.
I mean, yeah, I mean, it probably not gonna be that funny, but I mean, we try. You don't respect that. Like, we have no viewers. We have no viewers for us to try so hard. We have to write this. Yeah, but we have future projects
Look,
we're gonna do
you want
tomorrow.
to see? You want to see?
You want to see what I have to read? We have to write the script. You want to see? You want to see? I'm reading this. I'm reading all of this. All of this. And I can't mess up on a word. And you know what? We're doing another video tomorrow called Ghetto Wonderland. Yeah. Yeah, tomorrow. You know. And I mean, Zoe can't. She can't even get the word thinking but right.
Hey, that wasn't my right.
We don't even have any viewers.
We do. They're mostly our friends. And
I mean, it's
family.
mostly us. I mean, all our viewers are from me.
This is Angel.
What you gonna do?
This is Angel. He's being weird and he's just too shy. So do it what you do, Isabel. Think.
What I do?
But
I'm Isabel thinking butt, and I like to show my thinking butt. Where you going, Angels? I'm gonna go tackle him.
Okay. Let's
Go bark. Okay, that's it. That's it. Say bye.